Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete subscribed calendar on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. After you open the calendar app, at the bottom you will see the option called calendars. Click on calendars. Once you click on calendars, you can see all the tick marks. So I'm subscribed to this calendar called Sui. Now, if I want to delete this calendar, what I need to do is right beside Sui, I can see the I button. I need to click on it. Once I click on the I button, it is going to show me delete calendar option at the bottom. Now, if you don't want to delete it, you just don't want to get notified, you can just turn off where it says event alerts and click on done at the top. You will not get notified, but you will still be subscribed to this calendar. But if you don't want this calendar and you want it to be removed or unsubscribed, click on delete calendar. Click on delete calendar, and as you guys can see, that calendar called Sui has been removed. So that is how you guys can delete subscribed calendar on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.